So for post format, I introduced one sum here, that is nothing but also 4 variable in the function a, b, c, d, and these 4 variables are expressed in max terms, that is nothing but post form, product of sum. So here is the notation for product of sum, and dot d, that is nothing but don't care conditions 1, 2, 3, 9, 11 and 14 are present, and the dot indicates that it's a product, and these are the sum terms. Sum terms, fixed output giving at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, and don't care at 1, 2, 3, 9, 11 and 14. So let us try to solve the K-map for this. So here is the K-map, 4 variable K-map, and the respective cell positions according to MSB bit and the LSB bit D, A, B, C, D. And one thing I want to clear here, that we are solving the equation for post format. So what are the fixed position outputs are present, to which we will enter zeros. Why? Because this is post format. So for post format we enter 0 in the K-map, and for SOAP we enter 1. Okay, just now we saw the SOAP format to which we entered 1. Now here we will enter 0 for the position to which fixed output is present. So let us start with at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12 fixed output is present. So at this position I will put zeros. So for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12 there are fixed zeros. And as far as don't care considered, don't care present at 1, 2, 3, 9, 11 and 14. So I'll put across there, that will be indicating the don't care. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 9, 11 and 14. So these are the don't care cases. Now let us form the groups. Now whenever you're trying to form the groups, start from the highest number. Maximum number cells are 16, so start from 16. 16 group is not possible, move down to 8. 8 would be possible, but this cell is vacant here, so it is not possible. So let us move down to 4. So we can easily make a group of 4 here. So that is nothing but the column number 2. So if I'll choose the column number 2, this will be the group of 4, to which I can write down the expression as, see, very careful when you are writing equation for post format. Zeros are for the A and ones are there for the A bar. So the whole column is for 0, 1, that is nothing but A plus B bar. So this is the sum term, first sum term, and the second sum term we will find out. I will make a group of 2. So here is the group of 2. We can make this one, and we will write down the equation for these two as, first you need to go straight upwards. You will find one bit common that stands for A, and which is 1. So I will treat it as A bar, and go straight leftwards, that is nothing but the first row, which stands for 0, 0 respective to bits CD. So I will write down plus C plus D. So this is nothing but product, this is nothing but the sum term, and the final expression will be product of these two sum terms, that is nothing but first sum term and second sum term. So your final expression will be product of these two, that is nothing but A plus B bar, product A bar plus C plus D. Now earlier also I have mentioned one thing, that if you are not comfortable with post form or SOAP form, or whichever form you are comfortable with, you can convert any form into another form. Means post can be easily converted to SOAP, and SOAP can be easily converted to post. Means what? If I want to convert this post form into SOAP form, then simply what I will do, I'll put the don't care condition as it is, because they are don't care. They can take value 1 or 0, both. So I will keep this value as it is, but whatever the values or whatever the positions are absent here in this term, see, first of all I am going to convert post into SOAP. So while converting to SOAP, what are the positions are absent here, that will be present in the SOAP form, and you will get the expression for SOAP form along with these don't care conditions, and you can easily solve by entering 1 into the K-map. So that's all about the don't care conditions and the K-map.